A nucleus of uranium decays at rest into nuclei of thorium and helium. Then, the given four options, which is the right option we need to find here. Okay. We know that the nuclear reaction is given by, that is the uranium 230H92. It is a decay with the thorium 23490 plus helium 42 plus energy is released. And the kinetic energy of the thorium nucleus is given by, that is the kinetic energy of the thorium is equal to P square divided by 2m thorium. And the kinetic energy of the helium nucleus is given by, that is the kinetic energy of the helium is equal to P square divided by 2m at helium. Since the mass of helium is less than the mass of thorium, then it follows the kinetic energy of the helium is greater than the kinetic energy of the thorium. Then we can say the helium nucleus has a less kinetic energy than that of the thorium nucleus. No, it is not correct. The helium nucleus has more kinetic energy than the thorium nucleus. Yes, option B is the right answer here.